If you are looking for basic information to get started for early childhood, start with your Director Guide. Inside, you will find a section that includes suggestions for different ways to incorporate activities for this age group in your VBS. You can also find suggestions for teams, leaders, and helpers, setting up your early childhood area, then arrival, transition activities, and a daily schedule. Remember, a digital download of the Director Guide can also be found in your Digital Content Center and on the Director USB. Also inside the starter kit is a copy of the Early Childhood Storytelling Leader Guide and a sample of the Early Childhood leaflets. Both are also available for additional purchase. Let's look at what's inside the Leader Guide. The first page shows some helpful ideas to make storytelling as fun as possible for this age group. Put some thought into whether you and your team in this site are going to dress up for the Bible stories and how you want to decorate your space. These details can make all the difference to the experience these young friends have. Each lesson includes helpful information, like the Bible background, long gospel points, an Australian connection, such as the Aussie animal sounds that are in the Digital Content Center. You will also see a supply list, some costume ideas, and ways you can prepare for the lesson. Then you will see in more detail how to lead the Bible story experience. There are plenty of prompts available for you to speak and ways to encourage the kids to be interactive during the lesson, such as actions you can do together as a group during the story. Then you have the early childhood leaflets. These are great activity pages you can hand out to each child. You could choose to do the same activity pages during your time together, or you can send them home to do with their family. Make sure parents or caregivers see the family devotion page where they can reiterate the day's lessons at home. To accompany the leaflets are the early childhood leaflet guides, which are included in your Leader Guide. The single page for each lesson of the leaflet guide can also be downloaded separately from the Digital Content Center. The Bible Exploration Guide. Here you will see a section titled Early Childhood Option. Instead of having the kids read the Bible memory verse for the day, go over the song actions using the Bible memory verse song action video. Check out the Games Leader Guide. All the games in the Leader Guide were developed with early childhood in mind. However, you can find additional suggestions on the back for each day that tie in with the theme. Early childhood music. Recordings can be found in your Digital Content Center and Director USB. The scores of the music can be found in the Music Leader Guide or downloaded. Lastly, you can send the music home with kiddos with the Pass Along Music download card. Families and volunteers can access the music by scratching off the sticker on the back and inputting the code. Here are a few more tips for early childhood. As you are looking for volunteers, check out the job description section at the very end of your digital kit. There you can help define the different responsibilities for the storytelling team leader and your general early childhood team leaders. Also make sure to check out these tools like the Bible memory posters. You can ask them questions about what they see and point to some of the images as you tell the story. Same for the decorating posters. These will be great for decorating your space. There are also some fun items you can send home, like the sticker sheets, which would be great with the leaflets, this cute little koala clip-on, or even the collectibles. We also have the temporary tattoos, but use your own discretion on whether these would be good to use with these young friends. Order your early childhood essentials today at cph.org.